Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a 5-minute face for college students who wake up a little too late for class, moms who have to cook a lot of breakfast in the mornings, and people who just want to look cute but don't really want to wear a lot of makeup. So, let's get started. First, you're going to take a wet beauty blender, foundation. I'm using shade 120 in the Maybelline Fit Me. I love this foundation because you can use a little bit for not a lot of coverage, but it's very buildable. You can create a lot of coverage with this foundation. I'm going to start at the forehead, dabbing, bringing it down onto the cheekbones. You don't ever want to swipe because dabbing helps it to blend. And then I'm going to jump right into the contour. I'm going to take this brush and fan out the bristles of it, rub it into this is an Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess powder. Suck in. Then just start dabbing along underneath your cheekbone. This is for color and definition. I'm going to swipe it over my forehead. If your forehead isn't as large as mine, you only want to do right here on the sides of your forehead, not all the way across the top, because you don't want to make your forehead look even smaller. Then I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and do a little bit under my eyes, like not much at all, a little dab here. And then my chin, because I have some bumps that I want to cover. Not as much as I normally do, just real quick. Dab all that in. Dab under my eyes. Everything is really quick. And then I'm going to take my little contour brush that I use for my nose, because everybody loves a thin nose and mine is not. And I'm going to take that same bronzer and I'm going to use it actually as my eyeshadow today. Save you some time right there. I just do it in my crease to give me some color. This is life-changing. It's called Beautiful Brows and Lash Duo. It is a brow kit. And there went the brush. It is a brow kit and it has stencils. So you get your eyebrows the same every single day. Comes with this awesome little brush. You just swipe it. I just use the dark brown. Swipe it in there. Line it up like you want it. There's like 6 different stencils. And you just rub it all over. And then you just smooth it out. And then your brows are like perfect. So easy. Literally takes 15 seconds for each eye. Now I take this, see, this is what I use to apply. I'm going to use this end to come and swipe under my eyes for eyeliner. Real quick tip, just for a quick, easy under eyeliner. Another thing you can do to save time in the mornings is get fake lashes, but I don't want to pay for lashes, so I do it myself, and I'm actually going to bring you guys a video about individual lashes that last like about 10 to 14 days, so keep your eye out for that. But then once you swipe under your eye with the eyebrow powder for your eyeliner. Then you just have to do your mascara. So don't go do that. Just add a little something. Really doesn't do much because I already got the lashes. And then I'm going to take my Revlon Matte Balm lip pencil in the shade Enchanting. Love this stuff. Glides on like chapstick, but it's colored and it lasts a really long time. And there you go. This is an easy 5-minute face for all of you guys out there. I hope you enjoy it, and see you next time.